gabayadii iyo suugaantii oo nin dhalinyaro ah aad ayuu idinka yaabin doonaa.
Soomaaliya ha noolaato. Soomaaliya ha noolaato. weli si fiican idiinma maqlo. Soomaaliya ha noolaato.
Flag song. We sing the same thing for all of our everywhere else. All right. This is our.
Nobody crying. You are so hard-headed. You must cry for your country and for your flag. My flag is even fake. It's not sky blue. What's the matter with it?
This is how we gonna do this, man. I'm Somali gonna walk on a good Kumalana and Somali Akut. Hatta di Shegaya. Got me to contact tag one time for Somalia. This is how we gonna do this, man. I love to see my people come together.
Minneapolis to hear us. Come on. Look how many people are out here. Somalia Hanolato.
Somalia, let me see your hands up. Yes. Inshallah. Inshallah. No, don't laugh. I can speak it too. Anyways, we're here to have fun, right? Are you ready to have fun? Are you ready to have fun?
Okay? Somalia! Boo! Somalia! I'm sorry.
Sis weyn bay nagu leedahay waayo waxaanu ahay dadkii waaga joogay haweenkii Soomaaliyeed oo xurriyadda u soo halgamay halku dhig
magacaygu waxaa la yidhahdaa Somalia, as in the country. I know you're laughing in the back, but it's okay. All right. waxaan inii heesayaa hees la yidhahdo hooyo. markaan dhaho hooyo adigu waxaad tidhahdaa ha noolaato. You ready? Hooyo!
I feel so safe in the embrace and touch your face. Wipe the tears off as we go okay. And we held each other all night, we prayed. Woke up in the morning, another day I'm home. We hear the gunshots, but we got it.
Assalamu alaikum. Happy Independence Day to the people of Somalia. No government, no president, killing and poverty still evident. Life is harsh, everybody just talks. Picture yourself, no lights, just dark. Mothers and children.
June 26 hambalyada kowda Luulyo guushii 60kii la gaaray libaaxyadii dhaliyay goolka halyayadii libinta keenay allow leyd caafimaad sii allow lur iyo ka dhowr ciil allow kullamaan firdowsa.
In a world of delusion at way for a beginning conclusion, a great mental confusion, one that perhaps can be called for revolution. See, I wait for a mountain that I can't climb with the cord of contention and a timeline. But my mom always told me a man has to be ready.
waxaan ka sheekeynaa qaybta labaad Soomaalida xaafadaha ay degan yihiin isay u kala degan yihiin marka xaafadda haddii la soo gaaro inay cabaado waa inay qayliso waa siidan haddaad degan tahay waxaad tahay ciyaal suuq iyo waxaad tahay suufi Barnesville haddaad degan tahay ilmahaad afar ka bateen guriga raasatay
Sanata Amy Kolobasho, please give me a hand.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Assalamu alaikum. It is great to be here with Siad. As you all know, Siad works with me and has done a tremendous job in our office and is such a strong advocate for your community. Now I introduced Siad first, but I will introduce my husband second, because you see I have my priorities. This is my husband, John. And it is wonderful to be here.
Anniversary, I've lived there 30 years this summer, 30 years. And Lake Street was a very different place when I moved here 30 years ago. It was a not nice place, kind of a dangerous place. And then new arrival people started coming, like you came from Somalia and made this street better. You invested here, you opened businesses here, you became part of the community here in Minneapolis. And on behalf of the City Council and on behalf of the City of Minneapolis, I say thank you, thank you, thank you for what you have done to Minneapolis.
On my race, but my wish don't mean a thing. Only God can make a way. Only God can make a way. My wish don't mean a thing. Only God can make a way. Only God can make a way.